two giants in car insurance, but when it comes to your wallet and peace of mind, who really stands out? On one side, the trusted legacy of USAA, and on the other, the tech-driven newcomer, Root Insurance. We're ditching the marketing jargon here, what actually sets them apart. Every key category racks up points, and by the end you'll know exactly who wins. The outcome might just surprise you. Okay, so before we jump in, here's our mind map. We're gonna hit price and value, technology features, coverage options, customer service, and finally eligibility and reputation. Just so you know what's coming and in what order. First up, let's talk price and value. So USAA, man, if you're military or family, their pricing is honestly pretty solid. You get some nice bundling discounts if you want to combine your coverages. Downside? Yeah, you gotta be, well, military related, and they don't really do those new, fancy usage-based rates. Now Root, this is where things get interesting. Root is all about that usage-based pricing. So if you're a great driver, you could actually save a lot. The quote process? It's super simple, no agent haggling or anything, but it's not available in every state, and if you, drive badly, your rates can definitely go up. In the price and value round, Root takes it here if you're the right kind of driver. Now moving on to tech. USAA's website and app are pretty solid. Digital claims, all the basics you'd expect, but you don't get discounts for letting them track your driving, so that's kinda old school. Root though, oh, it's like having your insurance literally in your pocket. They use your phone to check your driving, set your rate, and handle everything in-app, including claims. Now, the catch. You have to use the app for a quote, and honestly, some folks don't love the idea of being tracked. But if tech's your thing, Root steals the spotlight. Alright, deep breath, let's do coverage. USAA is pretty much a coverage buffet: auto, home, renters, and a bunch of extras like rideshare, roadside, car replacement help, you name it. If you want all the add-ons, they have your back. Only thing missing? Those new, dynamic usage-based coverages. Now Root, it's more straightforward. You get your standard auto, a little renters, even SR22 if you need it, but yeah, no fancy extras like rideshare or anything. So for actual coverage, USAA clearly wins here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know USAA actually started way back in 1922 when a group of 25 Army officers just decided, hey, let's insure each other's cars? Wild, right? They've come a long way since then. On to customer service. USAA is actually famous for this. They win awards. People rave about how easy their claims process is, even in emergencies. You can call them anytime. Only downside? Not as many local agents if you want face-to-face stuff. Now Root's support is all digital, which is cool if you like fast claims and you're comfortable with apps. But their reviews, bit of a mixed bag. And yeah, if you're not super techie, you might run into some issues. So in this one, USAA comes out on top. Last up, eligibility and reputation. USAA, well, it's exclusive, only military and their families can even join, but wow, their reputation is kind of legendary. Top financial ratings, they've been around forever, super reliable, people trust them. Root, on the other hand, anyone can sign up if you pass their apps test anyway. They're young, kinda cool, definitely more experimental. But not available everywhere, and let's be real, they haven't really proved themselves for the long haul yet. For reputation and eligibility, USAA takes the crown. Alright, so quick look at where we landed. Root is all about tech and savings if you're a good driver, but USAA sweeps the board when it comes to real coverage, service, and a gold star reputation. Kinda puts things in perspective, huh? So here, where I land, if you're military or related, honestly, USAA is such a safe bet. Dependable, super service, all those coverage perks. But if you're not eligible and you want to save money and you drive really well, Root could actually be a smart, modern choice for you. It all comes down to what matters more in your world: service and tradition, or tech and price. For most, though, USAA is the big winner today. If you thought this breakdown was handy, follow us for more comparisons like this, and seriously, let me know, who should we put in the ring next?